Hello dear students, I hope all of you are safe. It's time to Unit 4, Lesson 2, Element of B block. Element of group 5A in B block, nitrogen, non-metal, diatomic, gas in atmospheric air 80%. Phosphorus, B15, non-metal, calcium phosphate, found in calcium phosphate, and apatite CaF2, CS3, Be4, total 2. Arsenic As33, metalloid, found in arsenic sulfide. Antimony Sb51, metalloid, found in antimony sulfide. Sb2, S3. Bismuth Bi83, it's a metal forming a crystal lattice, weak to conduct electricity. General properties of group 5A. Number 1, oxidation number. Oxidation number elements of group 5A have several oxidation number because they gain electrons from 1 to 3 through covalent sharing, or electrons from 1 to 5 electron and reach to stability state. With oxygen, all elements of this group form oxides are acidic, decreases with increasing the atomic number, such as N2O3 or N2O5, B2O3, B2O5, while other are atmospheric or amphoteric, Sb2O3 or Bi2O3, or basic, increase with increasing atomic number. With hydrogen, reaction with hydrogen, most of elements of this group reacts with hydrogen to form hydrides, such as in NH3 ammonia gas, BH3 phosphine gas, ASH3 arsine. These compounds NH3 and BH3 can form coordinate bonds due to the presence of pair of electrons in valence shell, so it can give these electrons to the outer atomic or ionic to form a coordinate bond. NH3 have lone pair of electron, and H positive have vacant orbital to give ammonium. These compounds are basic because atomic of element has one pair of electron donated to positive proton of hydrogen, which is found in molecule of water. Therefore, the negative hydroxyl group separated from molecule of water, NH3 plus H2O, give NH4OH, NH4 positive, OH negative. The polarity of hydrogen compounds in this group decreases with increasing atomic number. The thermal stability and solubility in water are decreased with increasing the atomic. In this group, NH4 positive is more polarity than BH4 positive, is more polarity than ASH4 positive. Allotropy. Allotropy phenomenon is the presence of element in more than one form having the same chemical properties but different in physical properties. Both nitrogen gas and bismuth metal have not allotropic form. Phosphorus allotropic form is white, red, and violet. Arsenic black, gray, and yellow. Antimony yellow or black. Properties of nitrogen. Reaction of nitrogen with oxygen with hydrogen. N2 plus 3H2 in electric spark give 2NH3. Reaction of nitrogen with oxygen, N2 plus O2 give 2NO. The color of nitric oxide, colorless, turns brown when it's exposed to atmospheric because nitric oxide is oxidized to form nitrogen dioxide, 2NO plus N2 to give 2NO2. Reaction of nitrogen with metal. Metal plus nitrogen N2 give magnesium with nitrogen give Mg3N2, magnesium nitride. Magnesium nitride reaction with water to give ammonia gas and magnesium hydroxide. Reaction of nitrogen with calcium carbide, CaC2, to give calcium cyanamide, CaCN2 plus C. CaCN2 plus water gives CaCO3 plus 2 NH3. So it's used as agriculture filterizer because it reacts with water irrigating to form ammonia gas filterizer. Important nitrogen compounds. Number 1, ammonia gas. Preparation of ammonia gas in laboratory by heating a mixture of ammonium chloride 2NH4Cl plus talcid lime CaOH total 2 lime water to give calcium chloride plus ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide heated to give ammonia gas and water. Ammonia gas is dried by biasing a quicklime CaO because quicklime doesn't react with ammonia gas. But concentrated sulfuric acid is not used for drying ammonia gas because it reacts with acid forming ammonium sulfate. Due to the basic property of ammonia, ammonia gas is collected by downward displacement of air because it's lighter than air density. NH3 is less than air. Properties of ammonia gas: it's colorless and pungent smell. It's easily soluble in water to form NH4OH, which turns to red litmus solution into blue. Experiment to prove that NH3 gas is soluble in water and its solution has alkaline effect. Set up the apparatus as shown figure. In lower bottle contains litmus paper and ammonium hydroxide, and heated it to give ammonia gas, turns litmus paper into blue. Properties of ammonia gas. Ammonia is considered an anhydride base. Preparation of ammonia gas in industry by Haber-Bosch methods. N2 plus 3H2 to give NH3 in presence of catalysts such as iron at 50 degrees Celsius under 200 atmospheric pressure. Number 2, nitric acid. Nitric acid HNO3. Preparation of nitric acid through potassium nitrate plus concentrated sulfuric acid to give potassium sulfate and nitric acid. The apparatus for preparation of nitric acid doesn't contain rubber stopper because the vapors of nitric acid damage the organic materials as rubber. The temperature of experiment doesn't exceed more than 100 Celsius degree because that acid is decomposed thermally. Nitric acid in industry, action of heat. 4NH3 heated to give 4NO2 plus O2 plus 2H2O. It's decomposed by heat giving nitrogen dioxide, oxygen and water. Nitric acid an oxidizing agent because it's reduced in different product depends on the activity of reducing agent, the presence of some impurities in metal, the concentration of the acidic, and the temperature. Metals above hydrogen, it react with nitric acid dilute to give, such as iron, to give iron nitrate, iron 3 nitrate, and water and 2NO, colorless compound. Metals below hydrogen in chemical series, such as copper, it react with dilute and concentrated nitric acid. In diluted, give carbon or nitrogen oxide, and if concentrated, give nitrogen dioxide. Copper reacts with nitric although it's below hydrogen in the electrochemical series because the acidic or the acid react with copper as oxidizing agent. It oxidizes the copper to copper oxide, which react with acid. Experiment 2, differentiate between dilute nitric and concentrated nitric oxide by put a piece of copper to each other. One of them gives colorless compound and turns to brown. Concentrated nitric give reddish brown fumes are formed from nitrogen dioxide. The passivity effect. Some metals such as iron, Cr, chromium, and Al are not affected by concentrated nitric acid due to the formation of layer of metal oxide, and this layer is non-porous, so it protects the metal from further reaction. Economic importance of fifth group elements. Nitrogen used in manufacture of ammonia gas, nitric acid, nitrogenous filtrizers. Phosphorus, manufacture of matches, red poison, several military industries, phosphorus filtrizer, and many alloys such as phosphorus bronze. It consists of copper, tin, and phosphorus. Antimony, it's used in lead accumulators, antimony sulfide, used in drying or for drying. Bismuth alloys of bismuth, lead, cadmium, and tin are characterized by their low melting point. Dear students, it's the end of the lesson. I hope you understand it. Bye.